Hi, scholars. I hope you enjoyed learning about the introduction of Texas state symbols yesterday. Today, we're going to take that knowledge and expand on it a bit more. We're going to be in the Tuesday folder today in this week's learning objective. And I would like you to click on Learn It. That's where we start. Every single time we start on Learn It. I want you to watch the instructional video first. And after the instructional video, I have added a Texas Parks and Wildlife Texas state symbol video for you to watch. It's different than the video that you watched yesterday, so you will need to watch this one today. Then we're going to go back to the Practice It part of today's lesson. If you click on Practice It, it's going to give you some instructions. First, you're going to visit the Bob Bullock Museum through the link provided, which is this one right here. Second, read the information about each symbol. And third, take the Texas State Symbol Quiz in the Prove It section. The quiz is directly related to the information from the link in the Bob Bullock Museum. This page in the Bob Bullock Museum is all about Texas state symbols. Here you can read about additional information for each of the 10 state symbols selected. We've got the Lone Star flag, the seal, the Great Seal of the state of Texas, our flower, which is the bluebonnet, the large mammal, the Texas longhorn, our sport, the rodeo, our Texas state dish, which is chili, the insect, which is the monarch butterfly, our reptile, the horned lizard, the tree, which is the pecan tree, and our state plant, which is the prickly pear cactus. All of these contain information that are directly related to the quiz in the Prove It section. You will read through this and then head on back to Schoology to answer the 10-question quiz in Schoology, where you will submit it and prove it.